Hey, what's going on, guys? I don't know who needs to hear this, but let me just adjust this real quick. I have been, if you've been following the channel for any sort of length of time, I have had a lot of loss in the last couple months, and I lost my grandma, I lost my dad at the same time. And what it has shown me really recently is, that's why I just took out this camera real quick in the middle of the workout, is it's forced me to reflect a lot on my life and reflect a lot on just life in general, what my core values are, what I believe, what I stand for. And it's really had me on this journey of self-reflection. So the reason I wanted to just pop on real quick is because I want to share a little bit about the start of this healing journey that I'm on. Not necessarily physical healing, even though that's a part of it. But it's more than that. You know, when I look at where I'm at in life, right? Been in ministry, been in the military, served in education. So I've done a lot of things, right? But one of the things I've been realizing more and more as I reflect on just my own journey of life is that, life is really short. And even though I know that conceptually, it's really hit home more as a reality that life is short. And I want to heal. I want to heal internally. I want my core values to align to, not even align, but I want to identify what those core values are. What do I really stand on? And I think I've found myself, I've bounced from a lot of different things. I've done a lot of different things. And I want to be crystal clear as to what God has for me, what He wants me to be doing. I want to be crystal clear on my purpose on this earth. And that's why I'm calling it a healing journey, because I've been doing a lot of reflecting on who I am, what I stand for. And God is just helping me just prioritize, right? Those things, just putting them in their right place. So I know that the scriptures tell us that we ought to, in the book of Romans, we ought to renew our mind, right? And that's where I'm at. So my healing journey right now is really one on hearing from God, aligning my actions, my thoughts, my patterns, my motives to scripture. And that it's not based off of metrics, it's not based off of people's ideas, people's thoughts. It's not based off of what I see on social media. It's not based off of what the world is feeding. And I did a video just recently on drowning out the noise. And I'm really on that. So I'm calling this a healing journey for that purpose. Healing mentally, healing spiritually, because I've run the race, I've run the rat race. And so that's where I'm at, guys. That's where I'm at on this, I guess this is really what it is on this journey. So I figured, listen, I'm not going to edit this video. This is literally unscripted, raw and uncut. And I'm creating it for the purpose of just holding myself accountable to this. And I think that's where this channel is really going to help me. So I'm hoping that it blesses somebody, but this is really a way for an accountability measure for myself, right? So my hope is to document as much of this as possible from an accountability standpoint, because I want to heal internally. And I've been navigating my own emotions, right, and my thoughts as I've been going through this season of loss, right? And just really reviewing, reflecting, auditing my own life. And I'm excited to see what God has in store. I know that God has been working on me a lot lately. So I'll continue to share more, but I just wanted to just kind of share this as a launching point. And I've been on this for a few weeks now, but it's the first time I'm actually going to put a video out there about it. So I'm hoping that this is resonating with somebody. And I'm hoping that, just to serve as an encouragement to anybody who's kind of on this searching as well. This is not a New Year's resolution. This is not a plan of, oh, if I do these 10 steps. No, this is a real like deep work internally. So again, I'm not sure who this is for, who this will encourage. Listen, whoever you are out there that you're like, yeah, this is where I'm at. Listen, just know that I'm with you on this journey as well. Let's hold each other accountable. So feel free to drop in the chat, listen, any thoughts that are kind of surfacing right now as you're going through this. But all right, guys, listen, I'm gonna drop this, gotta finish my workout. I'll see you guys.